Hello, today we are going to learn how to draw the tangent line to a given circle with a given tangent point T, only using a ruler and a compass. A tangent line must be perpendicular to the radius which passes through the tangent point T. This is one of the fundamental rules of tangent lines. So the first step is with a ruler we are going to join the origin O to the tangent point T and elongate it as shown here in the video. The next step is setting our compass to a random radius and setting it on the tangent point T. We're going to scribe an arc above and below the previously drawn line, getting two new points, which we will call P and Q. So to continue, setting our compass on point P and setting our compass to a radius slightly larger than half the line segment PQ, we're going to work out the perpendicular bisector of this line segment by drawing two arcs above and below the line, as can be seen here. And now with the same radius and setting the compass on point Q, we'll draw another two arcs intersecting our previously drawn arcs at 2 points, as can be seen here. So now the last thing to do is to join these two intersections, which is the perpendicular bisector and which passes through the tangent point T. So this is the tangent line, which we will call R, which has to be perpendicular to the radius, and we can check it here with our set square to make sure that everything is in order. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you would like to, you can always support us by pressing the super thanks button. Until the next video, thank you very much.